Hi, good morning children. Welcome back to English class. So first of all, I appreciate all my children who have participated in a live interaction class on Wednesday, and you really did a very good job by answering all the questions whichever I posed you in the group. I appreciate you children. Very good thing you have done. So let us resume our class. In a previous class, we were discussing about be reading. That is, if you can see on the slide, every success story is also a story of a great failure. I want you to read the heading again. Please read out, children. Yes. Very good. Every successful story is also a story of great failures. Okay, so if we discuss about, listen children, if we discuss about as this personality development, the theme of this unit is personality development, where you have studied in reading A about a person's biographical sketch and how he became a great motivator, how he was able to inspire the whole world, entire world. And coming to this B reading, after reading this text, you are going to get still more inspiration from the histories of successful persons and the challenges they faced to get this success. After reading this, and in this text you are not going to read a biography of a single person, you are going to come across many such other persons who faced n number of challenges in their lives to achieve their goals, who faced a lot of difficulties, who faced adversity against success, and ultimately they achieved their success. So this is what we have discussed. So my dear children, I just want you to go through the screen. Just you go through the screen and see what is there. Can you please read out the text again? And if I talk about what do you see in this picture? Have you ever seen this person? Have you ever find him in newspapers or magazines or somewhere? Did you see this person? Yeah, he is Abraham Lincoln, the United States, President of United States. Okay, so you're going to read about this person in your text today. You're going to read how this person met with lot many difficulties in his life to achieve his goals. And not only this person, we are also going to learn about one more person. Can you please tell me what is the name of this person? Name of this person? Yes. Okay. Okay, if you do not know, let us just you have a glance of all these persons. Once you see this, I'm going to tell you their name, I'm going to tell you their field, their contribution, their difficulties and their success. You are going to learn about this person, and you are also going to learn about this person. Who is he? Even I do not know. You might have guessed what is he holding in his hand. Can you see here? It's a bulb, it's a light bulb. Okay, so you must have understood he is a Thomas Edison. Okay, but we are not sure about him. Let us see still what persons are we going to learn in our upcoming text. Who is he? He is Socrates, a great philosopher. Socrates. Okay children, and still is there anybody else? Yeah, these are a beautiful poetic lines which I want you to write in your notebook, and I want you to follow this poetic lines. Very inspirational lines are here. See, the title itself is showing you how inspirational it is. If you think, such a beautiful and inspirational lines are here. Okay children, so and at last we were in our previous class we discussed about the author. Can you please tell me who is the author of this text? Yeah, it's about Shiv Khera, who is an Indian author. And if I remember, I gave you in my previous class to draw a box and write about the author and his picture. He is an Indian author. Okay, so I told you to write about Shiv Khera, and in my next interaction session, I'm going to ask you about this author, about Shiv Khera. I'm going to ask you children. So be ready. What are all his books name? What books he has published? What is the theme of his books? And why he became so special? What his contribution towards Indian literary club? Let us read all these things. So today you read and make sure that you have learned perfectly about Shiv Khera. Now coming to our text. I want every one of you to please take out the page number 13 from your textbook and everybody sit with a pencil. So in this text you are going to learn many more quotations and proverbs where you need to underline and you are going to write in your notebook. Okay children, so please be ready all of you with your pencils. Make it fast. Alright, so now I want every one of you please read the page number 13 from the screen. Not from the textbook, I want you to read from the screen. So that later on I'll give you model reading and I want to see how good you are reading it. I'll give 1 minute time to read everybody this page. Better if you could underline the important things, the quotations, the important information, you can go ahead, underline all of you. Alright, your time is up. Now let me see how your teacher is going to read children. See there all of you. Failure is the highway to success. Failure is the highway to success. Tom Watson sir said, if you want to succeed, double your favorite rate. I want every one of you please underline these quotations. Failure is the highway to success is one quotation you got here. And the second very inspirational words are, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. It's not failure, failure rate. Okay children. So, here are the two quotations you have got and let us see next one. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. But people don't see the failures. They only see one side of the picture and they say that the person got lucky. He must have been at the right place at the right time. Okay, let me share someone's life history with you. This was a man who failed in business at the age of 21. Now you see the struggle of this man. Look at this man, Abraham Lincoln. See the struggle of this man. See the struggle of this man. He was the man who failed at his business at the age of 21. Was defeated in a legislative race at the age of 22. See, continuously he's failed. Failed again in business at the age of 24. Overcame the death of his sweetheart at the age of 26. Sweetheart. Please underline sweetheart. What does it mean? What is the meaning of sweetheart? Yeah, it's a sweetheart means his better half, his wife. She died when he was only 26 years old. Had a nervous breakdown, a disease, nervous breakdown at age 27. See, continuously right from age 22. He is getting fail. But children, we'll discuss about this man in our previous class. In our next class we are going to discuss, but before that I want to give you today's homework. Can you please take out the page number? Yeah, page number 16. Yeah, I want in today's class you are going to write, if you think these verses, these words you write with beautiful handwriting and send me it as your today's class homework. Not only sending, you have to read and you have to understand this. So that I am going to ask you in my next session what you have understood from these verses. Okay children, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.